What is the value of c in the given algebraic expression? Consider a special pattern of an algebraic expression. The difference of the square of m and the square of n equals the product of the difference of m and n and the sum of m and n. We will use it to solve this question. It implies that 1/4 of the square of y minus 2 equals the product of 1/4 and the square of y minus 6. Factorization method is used to achieve this. Since 6 equals the square of the square root of 6, it follows that the square of y minus 6 equals the difference of the square of y minus the square of the square root of 6, which equals the product of y minus the square root of 6 and the sum of y and the square root of 6. We call it equation 1. Multiply equation 1 by 1/4. It signifies that 1/4 of the square of y minus 6 equals 1/4 of the product of the difference of y and the square root of 6 and the sum of y and the square root of 6. Hence, the positive value of c is the square root of 6. Therefore, the correct option is D.